Yo, what's up guys? So today we are going to be looking at unboxing of HP 2.4G wireless optical mouse. Yeah, so that is it. You can see here it is adjustable high precious optical tracking engine, plug and play, extremely tiny receiver, up to 6 months of battery use. So it is quite a good one. It's quite a bomber, so I love it. Let me see whether you can get to see. Yeah, system requirements: Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Mac OS, USB. System requirements, yeah, you can see there. So it is quite useful. Yeah, that is all about it. So let's get to the unboxing bit. There you have it. Wow, there you go. So I'm gonna be pressing these ones here, and we have the dongle with us. You have this, so I'm going to be putting it on my flash, and then you get to see whether it is. Hopefully it's quite a bomber. The hand fits well, the pump fits well, everything is working fine. It has 3 buttons actually. We have these, and we have the 2 left and right working properly. Yeah, you have the scroll button also. It's quite good, relaxing, and yeah, it's quite a good one. So this one, guys, I bought it at 500 in town at exactly the same shop that I told you last time. Let me get the receipt with me so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, from GameStech Enterprises. See the receipt with me? GameStech Enterprises, Nairobi. You can see this all about the receipt. So I'm going to show you this HP wireless mouse, one piece. I bought it at 500 bob. So in other shops you'll get it maybe quite expensive, but I didn't check. I trust GameStech. So I'm going to get now my laptop, fix everything, and try to show you guys how or whether this thing is going to work. So guys, we would want to know whether it is working. I've fitted in type AAA. I would love to know whether it's functioning properly on my laptop. So let me direct you back to my, you can see, so I'm able to open up. I'm able to do so many things. I'm able to open the videos. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I'm able to close all that. You can see how comfortable it is holding the other button, the that button. Let me